Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll explain about to fix the Xbox game bar not working issue. Microsoft released security patch to fix the Xbox game bar not working issue on Windows 11. See a list of known issues that have been resolved for Windows 11 version 22H2 over the last 6 months. Looking for a specific issue? Press Ctrl+F or Command+F if you are using a Mac and enter your search terms to search the page. Audio might be out of sync when capturing video via Xbox Game Bar. The Xbox Game Bar app might have issues in which the audio is out of sync when capturing gameplay to a video file. You are more likely to encounter this issue when using the Record Last 30 Seconds feature when record in the background while I'm playing game is enabled in Xbox Game Bar. Developer note: apps which capture or process video files using the same underlying Windows libraries or APIs as Xbox Game Bar might also be affected by this issue. To safeguard your upgrade experience, we have applied a compatibility hold on devices which have previously used the capture feature in the Xbox Game Bar app from being offered or installing Windows 11 version 22H2. If your organization is using update compliance, the safeguard ID is 41584256. November month security patch will fix the Xbox Game Bar not working issue on Windows 11. Resolution: Xbox Game Bar not working issue was resolved in KB Article 5018496. If you have already upgraded to Windows 11 version 22H2, installing KB Article 5018496 will resolve this issue. Note: KB Article 5018496 will not install automatically. To apply this update, you can check for updates and select the optional preview to download and install. The safeguard hold is estimated to be removed in mid-November 2022. Note: we recommend that you do not attempt to manually upgrade using the Update Now button or the media creation tool until this issue has been resolved and the safeguard removed. Affected platforms: Client, Windows 11 version 22H2. Server, none. KB Article 5018496 addresses an issue that might fail to sync the audio when you record gameplay using the Xbox Game Bar.